Trinamool Congress Party has hit out at BJP-led government on mining and Mahadevi. TMC MP Mahua Moitra alleged that mining in Goa was shut for the last so many years, but the Chief Minister owns a mine in Maharashtra. She also alleged that the ministers from Karnataka have told the centre that they have already worked out deal with Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Mahadevi River diversion.
TMC MP said that mining is shut since Manohar Parrikar became the Chief Minister. There are three remedies to start mining: renewal of mining leases, auction of leases, and starting the mining through the corporation route. When Dr. Pramod Sawant took over as Chief Minister, he promised to restart mining within 3 months. However, nothing was done and he bought a mine in Sindhudurga, Maharashtra. She questioned, from where did Sawant get the funds for a mine as he was an Ayurvedic doctor by profession, demanding an inquiry into the matter.
After the Parrikar government came into power, opinions were taken both from the State Advocate Generals as well as from K.K. Venugopal, the current Attorney General of India, and Mr. Harish Salve, the ex-Attorney General. All of them said outright that auctions should be done. When Mr. Sawant took over as Governor, as Chief Minister of Goa, he said that he will get mining started in Goa within 3 months. It has been 3 years and no mining has started in Goa. Mr. Sawant himself, in November 2019, 7th November 2019, I have a letter from the Office of the Regional Deputy Director of Maharashtra, which grants an approval of a modified mining plan to Dr. Shri Pramod Pandurang Sawant, Housing Board Dicholi, North Goa. The mine is located in village Talekhol, Taluk Dodamarg, District Sindhudurg. Mr. Sawant, as Chief Minister of Goa, has got a mine in his name in District Sindhudurg. Here are the papers. Certain information, unsavory information was available with Mr. Nayak about Satish Dhond. And Mr. Satish Dhond at the last minute worked with Vijay Sardesai, worked with an independent MLA and worked with the MGP to make sure that Mr. Nayak did not become Chief Minister and Mr. Sawant became Chief Minister. After that, Mr. Sawant before that was an Ayurvedic doctor with the government. I ask you, where do you get money to buy a mine in your own name if you have been an Ayurvedic doctor with the government? Do you do it by selling potions and puriyas and vials? I would last to ask this question. The Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, the Honorable Home Minister, go after every opposition leader with the CBI and the ED and the IB and file disproportionate cases against everyone. I would ask Prime Minister Modi to please do an immediate CBI and ED inquiry into his sitting Chief Minister and ask him where he has got the money to buy this mine from in District Sindhudurg in Maharashtra.
Moitra had said that the tribunal had issued directions on the diversion of Mahadevi waters to both state governments, Goa and Karnataka. However, instead of fighting the matter in the court, Sawant had notified this award after becoming the Chief Minister, despite a special leave petition pending in the court, she alleged.
As you know, while the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government was in power, the central government gave in principle clearance to Karnataka, who was the upper riparian state, to divert water from the Mahadevi river. At that time, Mr. Parrikar was the Chief Minister. He led an all-party delegation to Delhi and convinced the Prime Minister, Mr. Vajpayee, that this cannot happen. Mr. Vajpayee put that on hold. Goa then went to the Interstate Water Dispute Tribunal. The case took about 5 years. The state was represented very ably at the tribunal and Karnataka lost. Mr. Parrikar died. Mr. Sawant, upon becoming Chief Minister, immediately they notified this award and Karnataka started getting water much more than what they were supposed to. This happened. Karnataka senior leaders also came to Delhi and said, we have done a deal with Mr. Sawant, there is no problem. In the State Assembly, there was a big hue and cry. And they said, how could the Goa government give an NOC when a SLP is pending before the Supreme Court? Karnataka had lost, they had filed an SLP. That SLP was pending, how can you notify the award? You know what the Goa government said? Mr. Sawant came on record to say that the lawyers did this without asking the government.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 from Panjim.